Let's now tell you a little bit about Bihar elections, viewers. There are 243 seats up for grabs as far as Bihar Assembly is concerned. And here's how the situation was after 2020 Bihar election results. When it comes to BJP, they got 74 seats, RJD got 75, JDU got 43, Congress got 19, CPI-ML got 12, and then total seats 243. So that's how it looked like. This is the seat share here. Let's also get you a little bit about how the vote share really looked like when it comes to Bihar. For the BJP, the vote share was 19.8%. For RJD, it was 23.5%, JDU 15.7%, Congress 9.6%, CPI-ML 3.2%, others 19.4%. So clearly, now the focus is going to be on these, four players. You've got BJP there, RJD, JDU, as well as the Congress party. Aam Aadmi Party is also another party that has decided to contest, on all 243 seats, but the competition really is going to be among these four, and it'll be important to see what happens. And Prashant Kishore's entry into the battlefield, that's going to make it even more exciting this time. Let's now tell you a little bit about who the key players in battleground Bihar we have at this point in time. Nitish Kumar, JDU, from the JDU, who earlier, remember, was with the INDIA bloc, the opposition, but now he's part of the NDA alliance, I beg your pardon. Then you've got RJD's Lalu Prasad Yadav, then Tejashwi Yadav. For him, of course, it's going to be a litmus test this time. And then his popularity, how much it is among the people of Bihar, that'll be interesting to see. Then you've got Chirag Paswan, LJP there, and remember now, he, of course, is more interested in the state assembly elections. He says that's what the people really want. So for him as well, it's going to be an extremely important battle. And then you've got this new name here, Prashant Kishore, Jan Suraj Party. Prashant Kishore has got political ambitions when it comes to the state of Bihar. So for him, it's going to be a test of his popularity as well. And then you've got Dilip Jaiswal of the BJP. Again, a very, very important player as far as Bihar is concerned. And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break. But more news and updates coming your way on the other side. Stay with us.